The Bodum 34oz pour-over coffee maker offers a simple and elegant way to brew fresh coffee at home. It brings back the traditional pour-over method while adding a modern touch. Instead of relying on complicated machines, this coffee maker focuses on simplicity and control. As a result, coffee lovers can enjoy a more hands-on brewing experience. The design is clean and minimal, yet it feels premium from the moment it is placed on the kitchen counter. In addition, it is made in Portugal and reflects the well-known quality associated with the Bodum brand. The coffee maker has a 34-ounce capacity, which means it can prepare several cups in one brew. This makes it perfect for morning routines or sharing coffee with guests. Overall, it combines style, convenience, and traditional brewing in one compact product. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its durable construction. The Carafe is made from high-heat Borosilicate glass. This type of glass is known for its strength and heat resistance. Because of that, it can handle hot water without cracking or losing clarity. The single-wall design keeps the look lightweight and elegant. Meanwhile, the natural cork band around the neck adds both comfort and style. It acts as a protective grip when pouring hot coffee. At the same time, it gives the coffee maker a warm, natural appearance that stands out in any kitchen. This thoughtful combination of materials makes the product both functional and attractive. It feels modern, yet it still carries a classic coffeehouse vibe. Another key feature is the reusable stainless steel filter. Unlike paper filters, this permanent mesh filter allows essential oils and flavors to pass through during brewing. As a result, the coffee often tastes richer and more aromatic. Paper filters sometimes absorb these oils, which can reduce flavor depth. However, the stainless steel filter helps preserve those subtle notes. It is also environmentally friendly because it eliminates the need for disposable paper filters. Cleaning is simple as well. After brewing, the filter can be rinsed quickly or placed in the dishwasher. This small detail makes daily coffee preparation easier and more sustainable. For many users, this feature alone makes the coffee maker stand out from other pour-over systems. Using the coffee maker is quick and straightforward. First, coarse ground coffee is placed inside the filter. Then, a small amount of hot water is poured slowly in a circular motion to soak the grounds. This step allows the coffee to bloom and release its aroma. After that, the remaining water is poured steadily over the coffee. Gravity does the rest of the work as the brewed coffee drips into the glass carafe below. Within a few minutes, a fresh pot of coffee is ready to enjoy. The 34-ounce capacity produces up to 8 small cups, each about 4 ounces. In addition, the entire unit is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Overall, this pour-over coffee maker delivers a balanced mix of simplicity, quality, and excellent coffee flavor.